Hey people, welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare french fries. Firstly, let's take potatoes, peel them off and chop them into pieces as shown. Dip them in water and soak up to half an hour. Strain them off. Now take water and transfer all chopped potatoes into it. Add 3 tablespoons salt. Boil potatoes up to 50%. Strain it off. You can see potatoes are boiled up to 50%. Transfer it into a bowl. Now add 1 cup of corn flour, 1.5 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt and give it a good mix. Now take a pan, pour oil for deep fry. Check if the oil is ready. Yes, it's ready. Now fry all the chopped potatoes until they turn golden brown. Once done, transfer it into a bowl. This dark color is because I added chili powder before deep fry. If you want, you can add after deep fry. French fries is ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.